We saw that the primary goal of financial management is to maximize the value of the firm's stock. Further, stock values depend in part on the timing of the cash flows investors expect to receive from an investment. A dollar expected soon is worth more than a dollar expected in the distant future. Therefore, it is essential for financial managers to have a clear understanding of the time value of money and its impact on stock prices. So the basic concept of the time value of money is that the sum of money received today is more than the same sum of money received tomorrow. Before moving forward, we need to understand some basic terminologies like timeline, cash outflow, cash inflow, and interest rate. It is a graphical representation used to show the timing of cash flows. Time 0 is today, time 1 is 1 period from today, or the end of period 1, time 2 is 2 periods from today, or the end of period 2, and so on. Cash outflow. A cash deposit, cost, or amount paid. It has a minus sign. Cash inflow. A cash receipt. Before discussing the future value, the concept of compounding is important. Compounding is the process in which an asset's earnings, from either capital gains or interest, are reinvested to generate additional earnings over time. Now comes to the future value. It refers to the amount of money an investment will grow to over some period of time at some given interest rate. Put another way, future value is the cash value of an investment at some time in the future. Let's take an example. Suppose you invest $100 in a savings account that pays 10% interest per year. How much will you have in 1 year? You will have $110. This $110 is equal to your original principal of $100 plus $10 in interest that you earn. We say that $110 is the future value of $100 invested for 1 year at 10%. And we simply mean that $100 today is worth $110 in 1 year, given that 10% is the interest rate. In the given formula, PV is investment or principal, I is interest rate, N is the investment period, and FV is future value. So far we have much said about the future value. Now it is time to discuss the concept of present values. But before saying something about it, we need to understand the concept of discounting. Discounting is the process of finding the present value of a cash flow or a series of cash. Discounting is the reverse of compounding. So what is present value? The current value of future cash flows discounted at the appropriate discount rate. Let's take an example. Suppose you need $400 to buy textbooks next year. You can earn 7% on your money. How much do you have to put up today? We can now solve for the present value. Present value is equals to multiply the future cash flows with present value factor. So the future law of cash flow is $400 and factor is equal to 1 divided by the 1 plus 0.07 raised to power 1. The resultant value is $373.83. Sure, we have covered the basic concepts of the time value of money. In the next lecture, the annuities will be discussed. Bye. And thanks for watching.